Now, the next thing that we're going to see is how to send a document by email. So to send an email, I'm going to click on the email icon. Here the system is asking me if I want to attach a PDF to the email. I'm going to click on yes. This will display the send message window in which you can add the email address and enter the text of the message. But for now, I'm going to add a subject. Here I do have this email, but if I don't want to send this sales order to this email, I can just right click, delete row, and right click again and add a row to select a different email. I want to send it by email. And if I go to attachment, you will see that SAP is going to attach the sales order. Now here I type manually the email, but I do have more options. If I click on add recipient, I am able to select the email from the user. I can select the contact persons from that customer as well, or I can attach a distribution list and click on send. And I'm going to close it. Once you send the email, you are able to see what is the status of the email. You need to click on the message and alerts overview. Here in Outbox, you will see all the emails that the system is trying to send. Once this is sent over, then this is going to be moved to the send message screen. So here you're going to see it. How SAP Business One selects the email address. When you click email in a document, SAP Business One follows a logical order to decide which email address to use. First, SAP check if there's a contact person selected in the sales order, and if a contact is assigned and that contact has an email address, SAP will use that email. This is the highest priority. Number two, if there is no contact selected or the contact does not have an email, then SAP checks the business partner master data. It looks at the general email address saved for that customer. And if an email exists there, SAP will use it. And number three, if no email is found in the contact person and in the customer master data, then SAP uses the email for the logged in user. So basically, SAP follow this order. Number one, contact on the document. Number two, customer master data. And number three, logged in user. So let's see why SAP selected this email. I don't have any contact person selected to this sales order. So SAP is not able to take the email from the contact person, which is the highest priority. So the second priority is the customer master data. So if I go to the customer master data, so the email is empty. So same thing, SAP is not able to take the email from here. And finally, SAP check the user. This is the user that I used to log into SAP. And as you can see here, is the email that the SAP used to send the email. Now, what happened if I assign an email to the customer? Okay. So now if I click on email, this time SAP selected the email from the customer master data. Now let's assign a contact to this sales order. And now from here, I'm going to select that contact and hit an update. And now I'm going to send the email. And now we can see here that SAP selected the email from the contact selected.